What's up, everybody? It's Hansel, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And today we're going to go over part 1 of my ultimate dream setup. All right, y'all. First step, we're going to be working on this wall right here. Last time, as y'all seen, it was a gray accent wall. This time around, we're going to do some wall panels. So the wall panels I decided to go with are these right here. I got these from Amazon, and I like it. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to do a black and white vibe for my new office, and instead of like just painting the wall, I want to get some texture to it. So we're gonna rock out with this. So let's get into it. I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be harder than I thought. So with this, they don't come like this. I had to cut this to make it flush. Because if you don't cut it, you're gonna have like the block panel like this. You don't want that. It's ugly. Well, at least to me. But sticking this on here and connecting it and making it look flush, it's gonna take a minute. It took me probably a time lapse, but like it took me probably like 3 minutes just to stick it on the right way. Now I'm gonna have to see how this is gonna blend in together. So let me fast forward and figure some things out, and then I'm gonna probably show it halfway through the process when I figure it out, or when I'm done. So, double time lapse, I guess. I tell y'all, I'm about almost done, but goddamn, I done been on this for about 2 hours doing this, and like, the bulk of it is just cutting it out. The part I was talking about in the beginning, that's the biggest part. And then taking off the tape of it, it's a mess. I ain't gonna lie. Like, look at all this. All this mess. But hey, we still at it. I'm gonna get it done today so we can keep moving forward on this build so we can get to the desk part. So all right, check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, everybody, so it's the next day. I ended up finishing it last night, and yeah, cleaned the bottom mess, but we finally got the wall done. We all finished. Had to cut that out right there, but we all finished with it. So next, we're finna get to the actual desk setup, my favorite part. So that's pretty much the end of this part of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell for my next video, which will be the desk setup in front of this wall here. And I'm finna get right into that now. So till next time, people, peace.